So we're starting to work on the lockers, and we bought the Styromax aluminium profiles for the lockers, and Mark fitted one in already, pre-cut them, and so this is our locker under the bed, a little bit, and that's the locker looking from the inside for the gas bottles. And Mark's over there doing the other one for under the bed. And that's inside of our box, our habitation. And then we've just got one more locker under the seat at the front there, which will have all and a drive system in it. So, yeah, just wiping it down now and gluing it in. And then we're going to use the panels that were cut out for the actual door. So we'll show you how that's done later. Mark's just putting the glue, doing one section at a time.
I'm glad I bought this in.
Yeah.
It makes life a lot easier. Just a quick explanation. These are the cutouts from the locker doors, and you have to put a rebate in to suit the profiles from Styromax for their locker doors. And it's pretty easy. You've got the saw bench and just that, and it fits over like that. And this one there fits like that. That's a finished product. Pretty good.
Fantastic.
So,
So you just had to cut out a little notch in the metal frame to fit the locking mechanism, and you got the locks key to like.
the bolts are just a little bit too long.
So a few adjustments.
Right, on the store. That's where the straight joint's going to be here at the bottom. Get me?
The straight joint.
And up the top we're going to bring this all around and we're going to miter it, but we don't take the miter all the way through. We take it so we can bend it. We cut a bit out like.
Oh, okay, yes, yeah.
So we've got to work out roughly how much we need. So it's going to go like that.
Oh,
so
yeah, beautiful.
that's the idea.
Yeah.
And then you just use that super glue to glue it together.
We've got the join at the bottom there, so if for any reason water does come in, the join's there, not at the top of the locker. And that's our corners that we've got to put super glue there. That one's a little bit gappier. This one's...
I'm hoping this goes in. I've left 2 mil gap around the edges. So.
Oh, we better try. Can we sort of try it without the hinge, or? It's always hard on your first build. So we tried it with the Styromax rubber D seal, and it was just 2 miles too big. And so we went to Clark Rubber.
Styromax?
Just show me the profile there. And
Clark Rubber.
Yes, so now we can close the door.
Yeah. Wrong.
Just too big, miles too big. Clark Rubber one was what size? It was 16 mil by 9.5. Yeah. So the other one was 19 by 15, just way too big. And now we're just putting glue on the corners there. And we fitted one before, and this is our second one. So the size that we end up using from Clark Rubber was...
As you can see, it fits there around there.
Yeah.
And that's the inside of the door.
Yeah.
With the plates here I made up.
Yes, with locks that you bought from
and then these strips here, they go on the inside. Here.
Finish it off on the inside.
Right there.
Yeah.
And you've got to tap them in, but they're very, very tight. So the only way I found out is I'd put a clamp on here with, so that I could put pressure on, hit it with a rubber mallet here, and then gradually work my way up.